Hello viewers, welcome to my channel and thank you for watching the videos. In this video I will discuss question number 5B of Mathematics Optional Paper 1 of UPSC 1992. This question is related to calculus. Find the center of gravity of the volume formed by revolving the area bounded by the parabolas y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4by about the x-axis. So here we see the curves, the parabolas. X square is equal to 4b, y is this one, and y square is equal to 4ax is this one. These two are the intersecting points. 0, 0 is here, and this one we will calculate by putting the values of either x square or y square in another equation in the second. So we take x to the power 4 is equal to 4b whole square into y square. In place of y square we put 4ax, so it is x to the power 4 minus 64ab square x is equal to 0, and we take x as common, so x is equal to 0, or inside is x cube minus 64ab square is equal to 0. So from here, from this equation, x cube is equal to 64ab square. It is x value is 4ab square and to the power 1 by 3, means we are taking cube root of this 64ab square. So the centroid of this is x bar 0. 0 because in the question it is about the x-axis. About the x-axis, if we are revolving this curve which is bounded by these two, it means x-axis is this here and this is y-axis. So if we revolve and make a volume, then the moment will be cancelled out because same is above the x-axis and same is below the x-axis, so they will cancel out, and then the y component of this centroid, y coordinate will be 0, that is y bar. Now x bar we have to calculate, and this is integral 0 to this point which is 4ab square whole square 1 by 3. 4 is not inside whole square, and x into this curve is we say fx, and this curve is gx. So fx minus gx, and fx is what? y1 square minus y2 square, or we will put the value 4ax minus y2 square is x to the power 4 upon 16b square. So limit is known, this is the numerator part, and in denominator it is the area, that is limit, and then fx minus this gx, and the same 4ax minus x to the power 4 16b square. Now once we put the limits, we get just integrate and get the value 20 upon 9 a to the power 1 by 3 b to the power 2 by 3 and 0. So it's the center of gravity. Now I would like to explain a few points. The center of gravity basically is a point from which the weight of the body or system may be considered to act. In uniform gravity it is the same as center of mass. And what is center of mass? Center of mass we can denote by x bar coordinate will be my, that is moment about y, upon mass, and y bar is mx, moment about x-axis, upon mass. So when we have this volume which has been formed by the revolution of the area which we have obtained by intersection of two parabolas, and that is about x-axis, it means y bar which is equal to mx upon m. So here moment about x-axis will be 0, or you can say the same above the x-axis and below the x-axis, and they will be in opposite direction, they will cancel out. So we want to be having mx, so y bar is 0. And in other words, we can say the symmetry principle says that if the region is symmetric with respect to a line, then the centroid of the region lies on the line. Now why we are saying centroid and center of gravity in means we are saying in same way, because we should know what is centroid of a geometric figure. So centroid or geometric center of a plane figure is the arithmetic mean position of all the points in the figure, and it is the point at which the body, such as, let's take one example, cube or duster, parallelepiped, or we can cut out the shape, with uniformly distributed mass, could perfectly balanced on the tip of a pin. So we can put that figure on our finger and it can be balanced, so it will be balanced at that point. But suppose the figure has been, or the body has been made by two materials like wood or steel, then the it cannot be balanced at that point. So center of gravity will change and center of mass will be different. So for geometric figures we have centroid, and if the density, in other words we can say if density of an object is constant, so what happens that when we are taking the formula for center of mass, that is x bar y bar, then the numerator and denominators they cancel out, because what we write in x bar, we write my upon m, and my is double integral x del dA, del is density, and mx is double integral y del dA, and what is m? M is double integral del dA. So del dA will cancel out, so it won't be there. And delta, if constant density is there, we can take it 1, density as 1, and then in that case location of the center of mass becomes a feature of the object's shape and not of the material of which it is made. In such case, because we are talking that it is made of, suppose, wood, and it is made of wood on steel, the centroid will be same in each case, but center of gravity and center of mass will change. And when we are not thinking about of material, only shape, in such case center of mass is the centroid of the shape. So I think it's clear, and that is why we have calculated here y bar as 0, because mx won't be there, this will be 0, and we have taken the formula for centroid to calculate the center of gravity. Thank you. If you want to find any point which is not clear to you, you may ask in the comment box.